Hello, this is biz-news reporting from IFA 2009. We're here with Mr. Barış Altinkaya, who is a product manager for the company Vestel, which is based in Turkey. Hello, Barış.
Hi, Maria.
Very nice to meet you.
Nice meeting you.
Well, I would just like to ask you to please introduce a bit Vestel to our readers.
Okay, Vestel actually one of the ODM LCD maker in Europe. So we are manufacturing for other brands LCD TVs for all over Europe market. We have business also Middle East and Russia, and some business in South America mainly. We do our own screens with different cabinets, designs and technologies, and we are trying to be the technology partner for brands.
And would you be able to disclose what brands you work for?
We are manufacturing for major brands like the Japanese ones, Sanyo, JVC, Hitachi. Except that we are manufacturing for the big retailers and supermarket groups in Europe, like Tesco, Argos, and others.
Okay, and who would be your main competitor in the market?
Currently in Europe, actually, we don't have any big competitor, let me say. we try to be focused to service our customers as much as we can.
And you're now at IFA 2009 presenting your products. Which are the innovative products that Vestel has launched to the market this year?
This year actually is our 15th year for IFA. So we try to showcase our new developments like our LED TVs, local dimming technologies, iPod and iPhone docking LCD TVs, wireless HDMI products, and also some custom designs and our own picture engine technologies for picture improvement.
So later on you're going to make a bit of a demonstration on the iPod deck for us, which will be launched in the UK market, I believe?
Yes, it will be also launched in the UK market. We can move on the product and see how it works.
Okay, and before we do that, let me just ask you, when will it be launched in the UK market?
We are planning to launch it for Christmas sales, which is November timing for the customers in UK.
Excellent. So many people will wake up on Christmas Day with a wonderful present, right?
Yes, we hope so.
Excellent. And just as a final question, you've said you were 15 years here in IFA. How do you see IFA 2009?
Actually, in 2009, again, with the help of the white goods, it's clouded. So we see the interest for our products as well, like last year. And the LED technology is becoming more and more important for the end user in LCD TVs.
And would you say that the financial crisis of this year has affected the fair or the company in a way?
Actually, there is some effect, but it's negligible. In our case, we don't have any effect for crisis, and we try to be a part of IFA like every year. We try to be here again also next year's.
Excellent. And just a final message, if the readers that will be watching this video, what message would you like them to stay with about Vestel as a company?
Actually, they should keep watching us.
Excellent. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Maria. Okay, Maria, now I would like to show you how you connect the iPhone or iPod to our TV. Okay, after putting it, it starts to initialize, and afterwards you can see the menu. With the docking station, you can listen to music and also play the video on your iPhone or iPod. On music, like your iPhone, you can browse the content. You can search the albums and start to listen. We have a 5-way speaker system on the TV, so with a 1 woofer and 4-way speakers, you can enjoy the music at home. And here we have some videos. and you can enjoy full screen video playback also on the videos. The picture quality is acceptable, and the big difference is you can charge your iPhone or iPod while you are watching videos and listening music. It's a multifunctional system with a price difference of any iPod charger.
And who are you directing this product to? What age group?
This is for teenager mainly, 13 to 19 range, and also this is a mainly bedroom product. So while lying on the bed, you can watch your movies and listen your music.
Excellent. Well, thank you so much for the demonstration.
Thank you, Maria, for your interest.